Hello again. So we are going to do some graphing, and we are going to graph a quadratic function, okay? The quadratic function we're going to graph is y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. All right, for this one, we're going to need to plug in a few more points than we normally do, okay? So we're actually going to plug in 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5, okay? So I need to make enough boxes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. Wow, this is going to be huge. So let's make room. That should be good. 8 boxes. So we'll cut it in half. Cut each of those in half. That's 4. And if we cut each of those in half, we will have 8. Sorry, they're not perfect. That's why I'm a math teacher, not an art teacher. All right. So here is going to be x, here is going to be y. As I said, we are going to use 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. So many times when you do these problems and they're in a book, the book will even tell you the x values that it wants you to use. So you'll kind of luck out there. All right, so we're going to do x squared plus 2x plus 1. All right, so I'm going to do 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 1. All right, so we got 1 squared, that's 1. Plus 2 times 1, that's 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Okay? Next I have 0. 0 squared is 0. Plus 2 times 0 is 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. So I have 0 squared plus 2 times 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 0 is 1. All right. Next, I have my -1. So I have -1 squared plus 2 times -1 plus 1. -1 squared is 1 because it's -1 times -1. Plus 2 times -1 is -2. So 1 minus 2 is -1. -1 plus 1 is 0. All right. Now we have -2. Let's plug in -2. -2 squared plus 2 times -2 plus 1. So here we have -2 squared. So it's -2 times -2. That's 4. 4 plus 2 times -2, well, that's going to be -4. So I have 4 plus -4. That's 0. Plus 1. That's 1. All right. Now, do you see how there's a 1 there? There's a 1 there. Can you guess what this is going to be? I'm going to guess that this is going to be 4. That's my guess. But just to be on the safe side, let's plug this in, shall we? So let's do -3 squared plus 2 times -3 plus 1. Well, -3 squared is -3 times -3. That's 9. Okay, so I have 9 plus 2 times -3 is 6. So it's 9 minus 6, right? Because it's a negative 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. I was right. All right. And then over here, I'm going to do negative 4 squared plus 2 times negative 4 plus 1. Well, negative 4 squared is 16, okay? Because it's negative 4 times negative 4. So we have 16, and then plus 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, or minus 8. So 16 minus 8, that will be 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. All right, next we have negative 5. So plug this in, negative 5 squared, 2 times negative 4. So that's, oh, sorry, negative, sorry, this is a plus 2 times negative 5 plus 1, actually. Sorry about that. So I have negative 5 squared plus 2 times negative 5 plus 1. So negative 5 squared is 25. 25 plus 2 times negative 4, okay, is going to be minus 10. So it's 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10, that's 15, okay? 15 plus 1 is 16. All right, so my ordered pairs are 1, 4, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, negative 2, 1, negative 3, 4, negative 4, 9, and negative 5, 16. All right, then we go and we get us a graph. All right, and we graph those ordered pairs. All right, so let's see. The first one we got 1, 4. So we go to the right 1, we go up 4. We go 0, 1. We go negative 1, 0. We go negative 2, 1. All right, we go negative 3, up 4. See how that's going to swoop there? Now we have negative 4, 9. Negative 4, up 9. Right there. All right. Now we have negative 5, 16. Uh-oh. Our graph doesn't go that high. So we'll go negative 5, and then 16 is going to be somewhere up here. All right. So we can draw our graph, and make sure you remember that this is a curve, not straight lines. So we're not connecting the dots with straight lines, but with a curve. Okay, we put arrows on the ends to signify that it goes on forever. And then we're going to label this what it is. And this is y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1.